This is what happens when you finally pull back. Hey man, let's talk. For real. You've been grinding, right? Pouring everything into people, projects, places, giving parts of yourself away like you're some kind of limitless energy source. You keep saying, just one more push, it's almost done, they need me. And you keep bleeding energy into a world that never stops asking for more. But one day, you stop. You pull back, and that's when it all hits. 1. The silence feels loud at first. You pull back, and suddenly, no texts, no calls, no, hey, just checking in. It's weird. You thought your absence would make waves. Instead, it's like the world just kept turning. And that stings a little, doesn't it? Makes you question how much of that connection was really real. But don't run from that silence. Listen to it. That silence, it's truth talking. 2. Some people start falling off, and that's not a bad thing. When you're no longer pouring from your cup, people start showing you who they really are. The ones who only stayed close for what they could get, gone. The ones who ghost you the moment your energy isn't available on tap, exposed, and it hurts. But it's also clean. You're not losing people. You're losing the illusion. 3. You begin to hear your own voice again. You ever been so surrounded by noise that you forgot what your own thoughts even sound like? When you pull back, your inner voice doesn't have to shout anymore. You remember what you like, what you need, what you were actually trying to build before you got pulled into everyone else's orbit. Your clarity starts coming back, not instantly, but steadily. 4. Rest stops feeling lazy. It starts feeling sacred. You used to feel guilty for resting, like rest had to be earned. But now? Now you realize rest isn't a reward. It's part of the process. A mind that never resets becomes a mind that never creates. You start giving yourself permission to breathe without apology. Suddenly, naps hit different. Walks feel like medicine. Time alone becomes sacred ground. 5. You get power back. Here's the crazy part. When you pull back, you don't lose power. You reclaim it. Because every yes you gave from a place of obligation was a no to yourself. And now, you're flipping that script. Now you say no with clarity. You say yes with intention. And the people who actually value you, they start noticing. They lean in. Not because you're giving more, but because you finally respect your own damn energy. So what happens when you pull back? You lose the noise. You lose the fake. You lose the guilt. And in return, you get you back. So if you're in that space right now, feeling the distance, the shift, the weird silence, good. Stay there.